Well, we're probably going to see some rain through the weekend, right?
And it's not going to be a washout, far from it, but you will notice each day of the Memorial Day weekend does feature some rain chances. It's mainly just that reminder for folks with outdoor plans, which I'm sure is a lot of you. Whether it's the barbecues, you're on the boat, or you're headed to a memorial, we are looking at that on and off shower activity. So please make sure you're keeping that in mind. Lightning is a threat, and it's a big threat. So just make sure you're watching for that, keeping a close eye on the radar, but it is not a washout. Now, what I'm showing you on the map right here, where you see those dark purples, that is indicative of some patchy but dense fog as we get into tomorrow morning. This is for the tomorrow morning commute, and especially down to the southwest is where you will see some of that more dense fog. This is southwest of the Metroplex. That'll be a spot to watch as we get into tomorrow. With any clearing of the clouds into tomorrow morning, that will allow the development of some of that lower visibility. So keep that in mind if you are a commuter, especially in that area. Wouldn't hurt to just tack on a couple of extra minutes out the door. Here are your headlines for Memorial Weekend. We are looking at scattered storms, but not a washout, as I mentioned. Frequent lightning will be a threat, also small hail and some gusty winds. These are non-severe thunderstorms. We will be warm and muggy all weekend, so keep that in mind when you're making those plans for the hairstyle, ladies. That's something you'll want to keep in mind. Here is a look at what we're expecting in the way of rain totals over the course of the next 7 days. Several inches of rain are expected from North Texas and especially down toward Houston. May is typically our wettest month of the year, so this is right on par with what we expect this point in the year. For tomorrow, for most of us in North Texas, a lot of us I do think will remain dry. The shower activity that you see popping up on Friday mainly arrives late, and that continues into Saturday. Saturday does look to be the wetter weekend day, but even with that, it is still not a washout. Just a reminder to keep an eye on that radar. And here's how the radar looks right now. Showers moving through North Texas will start to wrap up next few hours. They are all non-severe. This frontal boundary, though, will remain stationed just to the south of us, and that will be the focus for any storm development in the next few days. We're still just dealing with a little bit of light rain through parts of Dallas County this evening, but that will continue to taper off to the east. Just a few isolated showers overnight, and then that threat for patchy fog as we do get into the morning. Now, enjoy your weekend. Next couple of days for a lot of us, that'll kick off as we get into tomorrow. It is a warm and muggy weekend. We will see those scattered shower chances. Please remember, if you are outdoors, you hear that thunder, you see the lightning, head inside till 30 minutes after that last clap of thunder to make sure you stay safe through the holiday weekend. We'll be right back.